welcome everybody. I'm Martin Jaehnert. I co-founded Binee last year, and I heard that actually this is all about status updates, so I wanted to start with that. So last year I came here as an Ecosummit ambassador to help out in the organization, and the first job I had was speaker manager, which is today doing Leah. Thank you, Leah. And my first person that I took care of turned out to be working for EWE and joined our project afterwards as a real support and our first customer. EWE pushed us forward to actually build our bin and as a sparring partner, and in March presented us at their Cebit booth as their showcase. And you might still wonder what we're doing actually, if you haven't met us before. We're building a trash bin that is so sexy you want to lick it. You don't have to. It's a zero-touch bin, so no touch needed. And it recognizes what you put inside, and if it likes what you put inside, then it rewards you for that action. So in reality, this is how it works. You open it with an action, like an NFC card or a partner card of your store where it's set up. You enter what the Binee wants, and you get a reward for that. First, the good feeling for doing the right thing, because it ends up at the right place in a good recycling. And second, maybe also a voucher for the next shopping you want to do. We also refined our business case a little bit since last year, and now we are focusing only on e-waste for the moment. We chose this among many other opportunities or possibilities, and we did so because the waste problem in electronics that we produce generally, where do I have to click? Which direction? Because at the moment, what happens with our e-waste, our old devices, they usually end up in informal recycling, like this one in Africa, in Agbogbloshi, where it's opened and burned in order to get the nice resources. Because actually, 1 ton of e-waste contains as much gold as 5 tons of gold ore. So this is actually the biggest value stream that we put on trash that is on the planet. And the European recyclers lose 44 billion of recycling market potential every year, even though the users would like to do the right thing and recycle their devices. Am I the first one to fail on this one? So when we ask people why it ends up in the wrong bin or why it goes to the wrong chain, they actually don't know really what happens to their stuff, and they don't trust in the system that is existing at the moment. What also lacks is convenience, because the Wertstoffhof in Germany is really far out from where they usually go. The Wertstoffhof would be a good alternative to us, but it's really not convenient, and the other solutions that are on the market are actually often not the right ones for them. So we set our bins in a shop like this, Conrad, MediaMarkt, places like this, and they, of course, don't care about the problem of what happens to the old stuff. But they are forced by law since last year and don't achieve the rates that they should collect. And at the same time, they really don't care so much. They care about you coming to their store and probably buying something new. So that's why we set up the system in this way that gratifies the stores with visitors to their stores, customers that are happier and coming back, and the green image, and also with the reports that they have to provide to the state. We try to raise 240 euros per month from the stores as a monthly service fee, and that sounds very little to them from our experience. For that, we test now in the Conrad stores in Leipzig, starting next Monday, and if we achieve those 240 euros contracts, then every bin breaks even within 1 year, and our financial milestones will be reached on time, setting up bin by bin. Our team is driven by a future in which our grandchildren will only learn about waste in history class. That's what we're working for, and we would like you to invest in us with 500,000 euros, or become our customers, or if you can't do that, please send us your old devices to save them from a very sad future. Thank you so much, and have a great day.